Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into your Microsoft account inside Edge. This ties activity to rewards. Once signed in, enable Microsoft Rewards from the browser menu and make Bing your default search so searches count. Make sure Sync is turned on for history and activity. That ensures points accumulate across your PC and phone. If you use multiple profiles, pick one profile for rewards now, because points don't merge between profiles. Start searching immediately to register activity with the program. You earn most consistently by using Bing Search and Edge. Desktop and mobile searches both count, so alternate devices to hit daily caps. Next, complete daily sets and quizzes listed on the rewards page. They're quick and worth boosts. Use Edge-specific features like collections and rewards offers. When shopping, click retailer links via Bing/Edge so purchases register. Make sure to check the rewards dashboard for time-limited promotions and point multipliers, because those give the biggest short-term gain. When you've built up points, open the rewards redemption page and choose from gift cards, subscriptions, or charitable donations. Some options show instant delivery while others ship within days. Once done, make sure to review expiration dates and set a calendar reminder for large balances. If points aren't appearing, first confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft profile that earned them. Then clear browser cache, restart Edge, and verify Sync is on. If that fails, contact Microsoft support through the rewards help link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.